Hello everyone, have a nice day. Welcome to my DY Top 1 channel. I'm going to show you a very interesting trick today. Turning a stainless steel rail into an antenna. Let's start by taking the time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I can help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on the channel subscription button. It's great to see your support. After we fixed it, to clip the cladding into that wood. Next, let's use copper wire wrapped in a spring shape. To do so, prepare a power cord. Cut the wire sheath raw. Take the copper core inside. Next, wrap the copper core into the nail. Use of adhesive tape. Threaded through nail, and the hole that was created above. That's Siev. Roll the copper wire into a spring shape into the nail. Let's make a connection. This is the connector. This part is also very simple. Use more tape to fix it more firmly. Take the red wire and also use the copper inside. Wrap the copper core into the handle of the feed filter wire. Now, let's fix that tree into the cladding tree. We make the TV's connector with the antenna. Watch the video carefully to avoid mistakes. So we started the experiment. This was my TV before. Put the antenna in, it has no waves. Now, I usually connect that antenna to the television. Turn on the TV and find the channel. You will see unexpected results. The signal can be improved. You can even catch more channels. Do you find this incredible? How many points do you give this trick? Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, click like and subscribe to a channel to support me. Share so that many people know about this trick. I wish you success.